Hi guys, in this video we're going to do a little plant surgery and hopefully take a dying plant and bring it back to life. So for this project, what you'll need is obviously a plant, some pots, some potting soil, alcohol, scissors or secateurs, and a spoon to get the plants out of the pots. So we're first going to start with this Aglaonema, and this plant looks in dire straits. I mean, it's yellowing leaves. It's also infested with mealybug. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. And I would actually have wanted to throw this plant away if I did not see a little shoot come up over there and also a new leaf starting over there. So I decided that I am going to try and save it. So first thing we're going to do is literally spray it with alcohol, with these like surgical alcohol that I always use to sterilize, and this is going to kill all of the mealybugs on contact. So it like literally dries them out completely. Okay, so I think that's enough. Next thing, I'm going to use my scissors. Just take off all these dead leaves so we can see what we actually have. Ugh. This was a plant that was at the office and I don't think anyone was taking care of it, so I decided that I'll try and rescue it. So, now this part of the plant looks completely dead, but this plant here and that little shoot over there still looks alive. So I'm gonna get it out of the pot now so we can see what we're working with there. Okay, and here, oh, this is actually a nice piece here because there's two shoots coming out. You guys can see there's a shoot over there, and a new shoot appearing over there. So the stem has completely stopped growing, and I'm just gonna also, because I'm seeing more mealybugs over here, spray some alcohol and put that to one side. Now let's see what we're having over here. Oh, that just came off. So I'm seeing a shoot over there, and this part of the plant is still alive. So I'm gonna break this off. So this is what we're gonna have from that. Also maybe spray this again. And there is something coming out there, but let's see what this one looks like. Now this one looks completely infested, and I don't think I'm thinking now, should I also include this one or not? These roots are all dried up, but there is a new leaf starting, but it is, you know what, now I'm gonna toss that and then I'll rather break off this piece that has a shoot coming out over here at the bottom. There's a new shoot going, so we're gonna just put this here out of frame along with the discarded bits and just clear away. So I'm going to pop all of these into one pot. This is often a way to do this. If you have a bunch of small plants, you can just put them all in the pot and they can kind of like grow together, basically. So use my spoon to kind of just get, and this is the same medium that I use in all my pots, which is basically normal potting soil with some perlite and coco coir all mixed in. So let's start planting. I'm going to fill this up again, but I just want to, because I don't want it to be too shallow. I'm going to get the shoots actually going out the side. And this one here, I'm just gonna see these roots are dead. Let's cut them off. And then position this part in. And then fill that, I think I use a spoon to kind of gently fill in around them. Aglaonemas are actually such nice houseplants because they can tolerate low light conditions, but there is a little thing that they are poisonous. So you do have to keep them away from your kids and pets. Maybe somewhere on a high shelf or in a room that you can close off from your pets. And there we go. This is our first little rescue plant. I'm confident that the shoots are going to sprout up, and I may even at a later stage, if each piece is growing, pot them up in separate pots. So we're going to put that on there. So I just quickly had to clear everything away so that we don't cross-contaminate anything. So I laid new paper, cleared all the old stuff away. So now we can start afresh. So this bowl of cacti has a few plants in it, and some have given up the fight. So I think that the only ones worth saving actually would be these three over here. And now I'm going to use my trusted little spoon, just try and tease them out of this bowl. I'm not actually such a big fan of mixed plantings, of plants, of like different plants in the same like pot like this. Okay, wait, just going to keep up that idea and try my hands. There we go. Now I did see some mealybugs on this one as well. And my African grey parrot is making noise in the background. She hates being alone and without me, but I can't have her in here, otherwise everything would be in pieces on the floor. I'm just going to spray this with some alcohol because there's some mealybugs in here down below. I hate mealybugs. They're like the worst thing ever to be on your plants. And they're so tricky to get rid of. So I'm going to use the same potting soil with the perlite and the cococoya as I did in the previous planting. Just listen to that. And just position them in. I don't actually have lots of succulents. It's not really something that I actually thought of having, you know, and because of the drought that we had last year, it's been something I've been looking into, maybe adding to my collection, because they are extremely low maintenance houseplants and they're perfect for a sunny area in the house where other plants might not want to grow. And there we go, there's our first little one. And I have a suspicion that these would look amazing on this little windowsill over here. Okay, so let's try this next one. And the good thing about this is that succulents are more tolerant of neglect than a lot of other houseplants. So they don't keel over as easily. Oh, you can see this plant's been in there for quite some time. That's a very nice root system. And also a little plantlet. See what's happening inside it. Oh, there's mealybugs. Let's use our trusty little alcohol. Oh, there's a whole infestation over there. And the alcohol really does absolutely nothing to the plant. it just evaporates so quickly that it just kills the insects. So let's see what we're going to put this in there. Yep. So it gives us some soil. You can also use a cactus and succulent mix. I haven't really found any difference between that and using a normal potting soil. So as long as you can improve the drainage, that would be absolutely perfect for them. And the trick with succulents is lots of light. To really give them lots of light and sun. Otherwise they can get stretched out and also be open to pest and disease, because if plants aren't like grown in their ideal conditions, it makes them more susceptible to pests. There we go. Look at that. Look how cute that looks. I'm gonna leave them there. Another aloe. Let's see how we're gonna get this aloe out of here, because this. And I would think that eventually I could even plant these outside in the garden as they grow, because we do have the ideal climate for these plants. Oh. No, I'm just gonna cut these roots off. Just gonna do that. There we go. Also, mealybugs. Nothing else? No. So, do this with this one. Aloes are actually indigenous to South Africa, so I've seen quite a few of them through the years, and they're actually such easy, low maintenance house and garden plants. And they're actually the perfect plants if you are someone that forgets to water their plants. There we go. Nothing over there. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little plant rescue video. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see any more of these, or if you have any other video ideas. And please feel free to like and subscribe.